Oh, my arms.
Hold on, that work? All right. Ooh. All right. Watch out. Watch out, buddy. Watch out. Ah. And I was gonna the first few seconds. Damn. I forgot that does that. My fault. Moving to the left. All right. Not getting touched. Fuck you, bitch. I forgot it's every tree. Okay. Jukes. All right. Something tells me that motherfucker moved. That motherfucker moved. I don't trust that. Oh, never mind. He doesn't move. Come on. You're gonna shoot me. Never. What? Did he? Whoa. Whoa. Hold on. You moved. Hold on. Bitch. Sprinting. Oh, God. Pussy. Way too many trees. I don't like it. Oh my God. Oh. Nah. Oh God. Oh God. Move. 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 Oh damn. Oh, they move fast. Hold on. Oh damn. Okay. Oh. And I know they're gonna be throwing them shits at me now. Okay, this one move. Okay, hold on. That one moves. They all shoot. Where the fuck did that one come from? Hold on. What the? Oh, fucking whiff. Come on. Miss me. Miss me. Miss me. That one chases. They all chase. Come on, move, move. Ooh. Ooh. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. They don't come back, right? Okay, checkpoint, checkpoint, checkpoint. Okay, okay. Oh, shit. Why? Okay, can't go that way. Alright, what's over here? Surely this one doesn't. I mean, it's not moving, so it doesn't chase. Alright. Huh? Just whatever. What are we talking about? I didn't even realize there was a patch there. Hold on. Hold on, hold on. I feel like everything. I feel like they just add new shit every time I die because I did not see that patch before. Hold up. Why do I keep running towards it? Why do I keep running towards it though? That's my thing. Run around that shit. Goddamn. Okay, okay, you'll betcha. Okay, hold on. He goes up. I feel like it's gonna happen even if I go down. Yeah, I was right. Ooh, okay. Oh, coin. Okay, they'll move. Coin. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Why am I getting hit with the fire squad? I mean, I got a coin. Did I save, right? That's safe, right? Yeah. Okay. Oh, I got the coin. All right. feel these are my barricades for the firing squad. Because there ain't no way. Push.
Uja, uja, uja. Good, bitch. Ooh!
Alright. I wanna fall. Could have played any other game, but I chose to play this one. Alright. We got this. Hold on. Boom, boom, boom.
Jukes!
Drop. Drop. Cover. Ooh, stupid. Don't cut corners. Yeah, go around. Bullshit. I can't be mad for real, but it's like, what the fuck? It's mean that weak shit. Oh, I see the patch, you son of a bitch. Drop for me. Shit. 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 Alright, we're good. I should have known there was something coming down. I was like, that pathway looks so clear. I was like, nah, there's something coming down there. Either something pushes up or propels towards me. Drop. Yep. Boom. I forgot about the second one. I forgot to... Alright, let's try this again. Yep. Ooh. Oh. Alright. He got me. Ooh. Alright. Let's try this again. Drop. Alright. Boom. Boom. Why didn't the other one shoot? I'll wait for the other one to shoot, brother. I'm gonna have to back up. Bitch suck. Alright. Alright. Push up. A little. Little taps. Little taps. Little love taps. Why they not firing? Why they not firing? Bitch. Ooh. Alright. Proceed. Move out the way. Ooh. Move out the way. That's gonna come barreling towards me. Yep. Knew it.
Oh god! Oh god! No.
No.
Oh god! What the fuck is that? What the fuck was that? No.
God, please. Give me strength. Give me strength. What the fuck was that? Ooh. Yeah, let's not do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Ooh, don't do that. Don't do that. Ooh. Turn this way. Boom. Oh, go out the way. What a booty. Yeah, I thought so. Booga. Booga. Yeah. Alright.
Oh yeah.
They're gonna drop from the skies. Yep. I just has to see more. Ooh. Okay. Why do I keep doing this to myself? Who suggested this game? Oh yeah, Dante. Fuck you. Ooh, 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 ooh.
This is my public humiliation ritual. I should have known it was coming.
Mind you, this is a demo. I'm not playing the full game. I'm gonna throw something at. I'm gonna throw. Lock in, lock in, lock in. Go. Okay, move. All right, all right. Back, left, middle. Sound like a plan. Back, left, middle. Huh? How'd that sound like a plan? Alright. Yep. 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 Get my balls. I almost fucked up my fingers. Oh. Bitch. Yes, sir. I didn't think I triggered it. Right? Yes. Middle. 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 Oh, Jesus. You're good. Alright. Fine. Are you fucking serious right here? Are we at chest? Doesn't matter, I can't even get over there. Yeah, just have a tree in the corner, just my shit real quick. Yeah, yeah. Ugurba. 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 Oh, anyways. Huh? I looked away first. I'm like, oh, whoa, 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 hey! Hey, what did I do to deserve this? Above. Like, did I burn down a forest or something? Like, why are they hating me? On my ass. Is that wanted post? I'm sorry, I was just trying to put a wanted post. I'm like, is that me? How much does that say? They didn't even say I'm probably just a loser. The fuck? It's a tag team type shit. You got me shot in the head and the thing just dropping fucking nuts on me. Alright, buddy. Ooh. Like, what is this? That man tag team is a triple team. Alright. Trying to trigger. Okay. Fine. Can't go that way. Okay. Balls to the wall. Nice. Bitch. Sweet baby Jesus, what is this? Nothing, okay. A coin. we fucking serious? Okay, his whole objective is to move me. Watch out. Like, why did I even read that shit? Why did I read that shit? Why? Why did I read that shit? Fuck you. I'm surprised I went down these stairs unscathed. Oh, checkpoint. Alright. I guess go right. What the hell? Alright, sure. I guess go to. Oh yeah. Can I help you? Can I help you? Can I help you? Oh no. Oh no. They bombs? Oh, they're bombs. Oh. Are you serious? Just take me. I can't get rid of them apparently. Was it middle? Let's go through middle. I'll go perfect. Yep. Miss me. Aw. You're twiddling my dingling at this point. Like, what the fuck? I went too wide. Anyways. I'm already halfway up the stairs. How far are they gonna follow me? Okay. I'll give up. I was gonna go for the coin, but I'll give up. Oh, you missed me. I knew it. I did. I just don't learn. Just kill me. Just kill me. Just kill me. Just kill me. Thank you. And my misery. Oh yeah. Oh god. Oh, game. Hold on. I'll quit? It's a coin? I got a coin. Talk to me. Hold on. She hates you. Damn. Pine spruce.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Ooh. Oh. That's some hot ass bullshit. I lose, and I just have a gang of trees. Just take me. Just take me. Just take me. Just take me. I beg of thee. Just take me. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so I think it went wherever the sign is opposite. So if the sign is the opposite, go the opposite direction. Bitch, you tried it. Oof. Oof, stupid. Oh god. Yeah, I'm not touching that shit. Oof. There's a checkpoint right here and I didn't even notice. Alright, let me see if I can get that other coin. Hold on. Talk to me. Talk to me. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hey, what did I... Huh? Hold on. Let me see. Talk to me. Them shit's heat seeking. Escaping. Oh, I see now. Stupid. This way. Alright, boom. Bam.
Oh God!
Stupid young got 2 apples. Bitch, I wish you would. I got checkpoint, so I'm gonna play this game. Y'all surrounding me, eat my balls. Into the coin, yes. I'm gonna get a higher score than 2. Watch out. Ooh, 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 ooh. Alright. No, I lied. There's a chest earlier. Hold on. There's a chest. I want to see that. What's the chest? Chest is somewhere over here, I think. Let me see. Yes! Got. I can mix with the top hat. My boy look good. Hold on. My boy look good. Huh? Damn. Bit. Can I have shit? Alright, fuck y'all. Ooh, stupid. I expect that shit to trip me like that, my fault. Alright. I'm over here tripping like a fucking newborn baby. Oos. Me blood, get up, please. Get up, please. Look like you wanna fight, wish for your life. What is you doing here? Alright, brother. Alright. Oosh. Oh, me blood. I'm just hand me on a silver platter. Just hand me on a silver platter to the freaking rolling ball. Oosh. Goddamn, bro, lock in. Stupid. Ain't doing nothing productive with that. Do I have to play a freaking road simulator then? Oh boy, good. Whoa, I looked away. Why did I get hit by a truck? Hold up. I looked away for a second. Why did I get hit by a truck? It's a fucking tree. I should have known better. It was gonna be a damn tree. Is that an angel tree? Hold on, Jet. We're going to heaven. Talk to me. We're going to heaven. Talk to me. Oh yeah. Hello?